Do you know for YouTube to suggest your video, for your video to appear in suggested video, for YouTube to suggest your video to a whole lot of people, is something you can do. I mean, it's something that you are in charge, you are in control. You are the only one that can activate that. All you need to do is just 3 settings. That is all. Only 3 settings. YouTube will start suggesting your video to a whole lot of people. I see a lot of people, hear a lot of people saying YouTube are not suggesting my video, YouTube are not recommending my video. There is a difference between suggestion and recommendation. Recommendation is a natural one from YouTube, but you still need to activate some settings for that to be active. Then suggestion is something that you can put in place by yourself. So, and without you putting these 3 things in place, your video will not be suggested. And if you mistakenly do it the wrong way, your video will not be suggested. So you need to do it the right way. I want you to watch this video from beginning to the end. Don't leave any part, because in this video I'm going to show you how to activate these 3 settings so that YouTube will start suggesting your videos to a whole lot of people. You start getting a lot of views. This is something you can do, and my kind advice is that the moment you finish watching this video, I want you to go back to your channel and activate these settings if you really want YouTube to start suggesting your video. So the first setting there is your playlist. A lot of creators, especially small creators, they upload their video and forget playlist. Playlist is one thing that keeps traffic to your channel. If you have not activated your playlist, you are missing a lot of views on the table. You need to activate your playlist. Then you don't just create only one playlist, you create multiple playlists and create your playlist in session. One good thing with playlists is that, let me give you an example. Let's say you are into fashion, you sew suit, you sew wedding gown. I'm just giving you these 2. So if you create your playlist in session, let's say everything concerning the suit aspect is in one session, then the wedding gown is in one session. The moment somebody watch playlist of that suit, another video will come up immediately. YouTube will suggest another of your video for that person. Now peradventure you don't have playlist, the moment the person watch one of your video, YouTube will suggest another person's video to that person. So the person will just watch one of your video and start watching another person's video. Playlist is one thing that you use to keep people in your channel. So for those of you that don't know how to activate playlist, I'm going to show you how you can create playlist. Don't just create one playlist, create multiple playlists. I hope you understand me. Okay, let's go straight. Let me teach you how to create playlist. So if you want to create your playlist, all you need to do, go to your YouTube. Once the YouTube open, so you go to videos. That place videos is, you see playlist here. So you come to this place, this plus sign. You click on this plus sign. Once it's open, it show you title. So that is the place you will put the name you want to use for that playlist. I can say subscribe. This is the name I want to use. I can just put it subscribe to. So this is subscribe to. You come to this place, say visibility. It's on private. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it opens. You see public, you see unlisted, and you see private. Make sure you leave it on public. If you leave it on private or unlisted, nobody will see your video. So you click public. It's already created. What you do is I just click on this place, create. And once you create it, look at this place, your playlist. You can actually put description on your playlist. It will also help your video to get to a lot of people. If you put your description, it helps YouTube to know exactly what the playlist is all about and who to suggest the playlist to. So it has description. You can add description to it. You can also add thumbnail to it. Now let's say I want to pick a thumbnail for it. I will just come to my library. Let me just pick one thumbnail. I will just pick this one as the thumbnail I want to use for it. I'm not going to save because I don't want it to stay there. So this is it. I'll just put thumbnail on it. So as I put this thumbnail on it, I've already made this better. So I will just come to this place, this down. It says save. That is how you create your playlist. I just show you the upper side. You just create your playlist, create multiple playlists, and that is number 1. Then number 2, end screen. End screen. you know, when you are watching somebody's video, at the end of that video, if you used to watch video to the end, you will notice it. At the end of the video, you will see YouTube will suggest 2 videos for you to keep watching. As you're watching that video, let's say the person is teaching how to get views, then as you're watching the video, how to get 1,000 subscribers appear on that place. You can easily click on that video and keep watching the person's video again. So all these things help YouTube to suggest more of your video. And as you're watching my video now, if you just scroll up your phone like this, you will see that YouTube will suggest about 2 to 3 of my video for you. So that is one thing with these settings I'm telling you. If you activate it, YouTube will always suggest your video to people. Now let's go straight. Let me show you how to add end screen to your video. Okay, let's go to Safari. I use Safari for this. I'll just click on it. So I'll come to this place, click here. Now say continue to studio. I'll click on it. I'll come to this place, click content. So these are the content I have here. Let's say I want to use this particular content for it. I'll click on this one. So this is the video I want to use. So what I'll do is that I'll come to this place. You see end screen here. I've already used end screen for this video, but I'll just show you how to use it. So let's go to end screen. I'll click here, end screen. So this is the videos. These are the options that YouTube grants here. The import from latest video, that's the latest video at the video you just created recently. This is it. If you like it, you just click on it. And now said this one said 1 playlist, 1 subscriber. So if you want playlist and 1 subscriber, what the subscribe button that where somebody can easily subscribe to your channel. So another one say 1 video, 1 subscribe. So this is it. So this one said 2 videos. I always like to use these 2. So I will use this one, 2 videos. Now I'll come to this place. We adjust it so that it will not block the face of this video. So once you adjust it, we are not through. So come to this place. It says choose specific video. So I'll just click on that, choose specific video. So once the thing load, I'll pick 1 video. Let me pick this one. So the video have added. I'll come to this place. I'll click on this one again. It will give me option to choose another video. So I will choose another video that I want. So once I click it, I will now adjust it. Already adjust. So you save it. You must save it. If you did not save it, it will not activate. So the next one we do is card. All you need to do is come to this place. A lot of people put only 1 card. So you have the ability to put 5 cards on this. So I already have 1 there before. So all I need to do is that I'll come to this line here, this very line. I'll shift it. Let me see how many minutes. So let's go. Let me use 1 minute 30 seconds. Let me use 1 minute 30 seconds. Then I'll come to this place. I'll click add. That place I'll pick another. I'll pick playlist. So I'll take my playlist. Playlist is one way through which people stays long on your video. If you have playlist, another one will appear. The person will keep watching. So we'll come to this place again. I'll drag the line again. 2 minutes. Let's do it 2 minutes 25 seconds sharp. So I'll click here again, add. Let me choose 1 video again. Okay, let me add this one. Once I add this one, it's already registered here. So I'll come to this line again. I'll drag the line again. This place. I'll now come to this plus sign here again. I'll click on channel. Now, if you want people to subscribe to your channel, you use this. But if you don't want them to subscribe to your channel, you want them to subscribe to another person's channel, you leave it. So what you do is that you come here and search your channel's name. Shavera. This is my channel. I'll click on it. So once you click on it, you see that the thing have this red line here. So you see this place say customize message. So you just put something. Let me use subscribe for more. Then I'll now go up here again. You will see there is a red label and a red line here. So when we finish, it will not be there. So this one now, you can also put something, anything sharp, but let me put subscribe for more again. Subscribe for more. So as you can see, that red this thing is no longer there. It's no longer there. So all you need to do is that you come here and save it. If you do not publish it, it will not save. As you can see, it has already shown on my video, subscribe for more. So once somebody click on that place, that person will automatically subscribe to my channel. So that is how the thing work. So what you do is that you come to this place, you save, and the other ones you keep adding it like that, the same format, the same procedure, everything the same. That's how you add it. You can add up to 5. Once you finish, you come to this place, you save, and immediately you save, everything is intact. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye bye.